to hide behind and shoot each other.
Ain't no car. Oh, that one? Yeah.
Yeah, the letter.
They're little plastic cars. They can turn them over and hide behind them or something. They better learn how to be ghetto.
And just hide it. What a freaking letter! King Daddy! Look at this. This big bigger. King Daddy.
Now you spray me, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Daddy, and you should have got this one. This one shoots better.
You spray me, I'm gonna take it and spray you in the face.
I'm not. I'm putting everyone out.
Yeah, that's what I thought, nigga.
Everybody good, everybody dummy. No, you don't hurt me. I'm getting I'm gonna shoot.
No good, man. Are you scared?
Boom, boom, boom. Andrew, come closer. I'm not gonna. Andrew, come closer.
Go chase him, you scared? Get out the water and go in. Because you know if you get out the water, you ain't gonna have no reload, huh?
Boom, boom. Shoot in. Why are you doing that? Get in the hole in the face. I'm hunting down Andrew. I'm hunting. I'm hunting. You trying to get a refill? How am I going to kill you?
I don't think you'll do it.
Don't shoot none of us.
I don't think you'll do it.
Yeah. And then this. Yes, you can. You should already be done with it. I'm going to pop it. Grandma! Uncle Ray Train!
I didn't. Oh, you want to tell me that I did something? I didn't even spray you, did I? Did I? But you want to sit here and say I did? Now I'm going to.
No, you're not.
Oh yeah.
No, you didn't. You didn't do it. Reloading.
What?
I'm reloading, Daddy.
Did you shoot Andrew when he was reloading? Huh? But yeah, ain't no fun now, huh? Blast all y'all fools. Oh, shoot Sharon, huh? Why would you tell me to get her? She ain't even got no gun, nigga. You scared her. Oh. Reload. Reload. Hey, right, look. Reload.
Oh my God.
Reload. I'm about to take all the guns. Y'all some little crybaby ass niggas. Do it. Oh yeah, you know how to take it and spray you in the face.
Andrew, don't do that.
Get him, Andrew. He got you and you didn't have none.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
You don't need that on. Just turn around and shoot, man.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. Blast those fools.
Bam!
Don't spray her. And blast him.
No! Let me get your car!
Stop! What about you? You want some? Huh? You want your spray? I think you want some.
No.
There you do. Come on. Come on over here to the pool. Come on, we're gonna drive. Come on to the pool. Ray, stop.